Welcome to the Merlin AI Guide. Today, we'll explore how this tool can transform the way you summarize articles and YouTube videos effortlessly. Merlin AI offers a variety of features tailored specifically for summarizing both written articles and videos, making your content consumption efficient and straightforward. Let's dive into how to summarize an article using Merlin AI. Start by uploading your article or pasting the text directly into the designated area. Next, we'll demonstrate how to summarize a YouTube video. Simply paste the video link, and Merlin AI will generate a concise summary automatically. To optimize your summaries for clarity and completeness, consider focusing on key points, avoiding unnecessary jargon, and using clear language. Merlin AI allows you to customize the length and detail of your summaries, ensuring they meet your specific needs. The benefits of using AI for summarizing content include saving time, enhancing understanding, and streamlining information for better recall. Merlin AI is perfect for a range of use cases in research, education, and productivity, helping users manage their content more effectively. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from users who've experienced the transformative power of Merlin AI in their daily lives. Thank you for joining us. We invite you to explore Merlin AI for all your content summarization needs and experience its benefits firsthand.